Rajasaman, the South Indian State President of Akhil Bharatiya Kshatriya Mahasabha organization. I am basically a Veer Vanniyola Kshatriya from Tamil Nadu, representing our organization of All India Kshatriyas. I am here to talk about the topics to cover. We are talking about the Maharana Pratap and Rana Singh. They have been a very heritage, the heroes of the India. अगर महाराणा प्रताप नहीं होता है, यह हिंदुस्तान नहीं होता. ऐसा एक सुना हमको दिमाग में आया. So the 1,000 years of Indian history has made up with the influence of the Western region, European, all have been smashed down by the Kshatriyas. During the medieval age, we were the heroes like the samurais of Japan, the knighthoods of England and Europe. Similarly, the Kshatriyas of India, we the warriors, we save the nation, we are known for our patriotism. So all this has happened, and during the independence, we have waged many wars, and during making our India as a democratic nation, we submitted 565 princely states to make a united India, democratic India. But is that true that we have made a democratic India? Absolutely not. Our Akhil Bharatiya Kshatriya Mahasabha Sangathan has made a research in the Indian Constitution and the political rights and its relation with Indian Constitution, and we have found that there is no contesting rights for each and every citizen written in the Indian Constitution, and it has been proved by our Akhil Bharatiya Kshatriya Mahasabha, the Dakshin Bharat organization, and we have gone to the Tamil Nadu Commissionerate, Chennai Commissionerate. We have asked for the permission to go for a protest. There is no contesting right. How can you say that there is no contesting right? Yes, if there is contesting right, how can the possible of reserve constituencies? Reserve constituencies are there, breaching each and every citizen's contesting right, and thereby plundering the rights of each and every citizen, and that's why the reserve constituencies have been imprinted on each and everyone's head and made as a slavery seal on your forehead, and that's why under the reserve constituencies there is no political contesting right for all Indian people. That's why, and we, 565 princely states of all over India, submitted the lands to become the Union of India. But these Kshatriya community had made many more wars to make our nation freedom. They won the many battles. But intellectually speaking, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he made his own community to get reserved. What kind of reservation is that? Backward reservation. How can it be possible? We Kshatriyas, 1,000 years of invaders, we protect that reserve constituency has to be made for us. And that is what has been impinged, but it has been redirected to some other community. Means, how can this be accepted? There is no special privilege for the people in the democratic India. If it is so, through the backwardness, the reserve constituencies cannot be allowed, and that has to be abolished. And through our Sangathan, we have made a 50 pages PDF document, and we, Dakshin Bharat People Sangathan organization, has sent this letter to the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President of India, the People's Citizen, the People First Citizen. We are sending a letter saying that there is no contesting right established in the Indian Constitution. That cannot be a democracy. This is only a Dalitocracy. This is only a Dalitocracy and not a democracy. And in order to make up the democracy, the contesting right for the people has to be written in the Indian Constitution without any delay. And thanking you all.
Jai Kshatriya! Jai Kshatriya! Jai Kshatriya! Jai Kshatriya!